Getting trapped in the middle. Naibigay pa kay Ponferrada and Jewel comes up short. McDaniels looking to run. KJ hopping, laying that ball in.
Yes.
Usually, if you don't time that right, matatawagan ka talaga ng foul.
Or lusot na yung opponent. Pero what a nice shot fake there. Look at that. High leaper siya, and pag titingnan mo talaga siya, kala mo is bulky, pero ganun talaga, it's really all muscle and all power.
How about that? He showed you.
Definitely, he can put the ball on the floor and finish it.
Suddenly, Meralco has built a 7-point lead. KJ McDaniels now in takeover mode. And Banquero. Off to Maliksi. Three-pointer doesn't work. And Torres loses it. McDaniels with a jam. To 54. All 6 points that have been scored here in the third quarter have come from Alain Maliksi. McDaniels dadagdagan ng 2 puntos pa. 8-0 run.
Magkakaroon ng timeout dito because McDaniels has went easy inside at lamang na ng 8 dito.
This timeout is brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. Mag-uusap-usap muna.
Hinahanap ng mga fans. Tinawag na si Big Game James. Considering na sinambatak na nga yung nagsa-start out nung shooting from the outside to be able to really see it.
Medyo nag-slow down na naman yung scoring dito. Gustong baguhin ni KJ and he does. Gets ball. McDaniels. Looping hook shot is good.
Just literally just jump over.
Interior defense kasi sobrang solid. They're having times na nabe-breakdown na Meralco. But generally, I mean, the inside of Meralco has been...
Bo who have to be the rim protector. Malaki. So dito, in this game, sabit naman doon si Mark Berberan. Pero yun nga once he gets confident and he starts scoring, maghirap din siyang bigilin.
Oh, McDaniels just not giving up.
Lalong mas mahirap the Governor's Cup.
Dalawang former Letra Knights battling each other out. At nakisali pa si KJ McDaniels.
He's not yet done.
Certainly commendable effort for KJ McDaniels. And guess what, Coach? Second chance points na naman yan on that put.